And speak loud.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the huge city with my puppets and me. This is the Lily and Donna show, and you really will like it. You might say it's great and you love it, and it's very special. Well, it's very good and there's no bad in it. So you might like it a lot more than Beauty. But it might take a while to get to the puppet show. My puppets! Hi, I'm Mr. Bunny Rabbit. Know me. My friend is taking a nap. She's gonna wake up later. Well, it doesn't really care. Mr. Bunny Rabbit. I'm Mr. Bunny Rabbit. Hop into the forest. One Mr. Forest, one Mr. Forest, Mr. Gun, do everything. Wah, wah, wah. That sounds like my friend is waking up now. Mr. Bun, that sounds like my friend that just waked up. Hi, friend. Hi. Hi, Mr. Bunny Rabbit. I really don't care, but my friend is sleeping, and I don't really care. But the most of all is dust in your air. I'm ready for the audience to come.
The audience is here.
This is where we is indeed. With it comes to audience into bead. With it comes to audience and all around. With it comes to audience, I don't weary frown. With it comes to audience, I don't weary frown. Lily may leap, 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 Lily may leap. I'm asking you, stop it. With it comes to me, I don't really care. I like to hide and stretch and air. I just don't know what I like to do. Within I am like you too. With I am like you. Yes, say. Bravo. The key. Nah, yay. Nah, yes. Nah, yay. Nah, black. I just don't know what to do. I'm going back to sleep.
Is that the end?
Yeah.
Hooray! Hooray, I'm the audience. You gotta bow. Hooray for Lulu! It was a wonderful show. And you say, thank you very much.
Thank you very, very, very much.
You've been a wonderful audience.
Well, now I can give them some candy. Because they've been a good boy and girl and grandma and grandpa. So I think I